Hi friends, in this session we will see FRM course registration process on the GARP's website. So we'll start from very basic. Very basic meaning we will start from creating your login ID and then registering for the exam and like how to pay for the exam and everything. In this video, I will also try to address all the common queries which students have in their mind or you have in your mind. Like what type of ID you can provide on the GARP's website as an identification card, like driving license or passport, or what type of driving license or what type of passport. With this, we will also try to understand some again the further queries like what type of debit card or credit card you can use, which is very common query for the Indian students. And again, when you can schedule your exam. So I will try to address all these queries. This session is impromptu for me. So impromptu as in like I never tried registering for the exam in recent like 4 years 5 years, I don't know exactly how many, because obviously I'm certified FRM and my dashboard looks like this. I don't get all those options which you will get on your dashboard. Okay, so this will be again experience for me, and in whatever, like in the registration process, whatever I see, I will try to explain each and everything to you, right? So you will get to experience firsthand, like you will get to that feeling like what happens when you are registering for the first time. So again, consider this as my first time only. So before we begin the discussion, I will introduce myself. So I'm Shashank Vande. I'm certified FRM and teaching faculty for FRM, CFA and CA Final SFM. In case you are planning to take the classes or looking for video classes, so we have three current packages available. So first is the mentorship program, self-paced program, the fast track program. So in mentorship program, we are providing the complete in-person mentorship by certified FRMs. So here, starting from deciding your preparation strategy, reviewing your mock tests, performance, we are going to provide you 23 mock tests. So your performance analysis of those 23 mock tests. And with this, we are also providing, if you have any doubts, you can directly ask certified FRMs your doubts like me, and we have one more faculty who is certified FRM who also handles the doubts. So this is a mentorship program. In mentorship program, you will also get a video content. So video classes, study notes, fast track notes, mock test, question banks, and like other material like the mind maps, formula sheets, and everything. With this, we have second option. Second option is the self-paced program. In self-paced program, this is a video package. Video package meaning video classes, question banks, study notes, and everything. But this is for the self-paced students who are not looking for the mentorship. So this is complete package except mentorship. Okay, and then we have the fast track program. Fast track program is for the students who have already prepared everything and now want to know what type of like what were the important points in the curriculum and want to revise their curriculum. And in fast track program, so fast track program is not open now, it will open just 2 months before your exam. Here we have like study content, revision content, and practice content, and with the fast track videos. In case you are planning to go with the self study and you don't want any classes, so we have really great option for you. So this is self study essentials package. Ignore this particular package, the $100 package. So self study essential package will provide you these study notes. These are Falcon's notes and best for the FRM preparation. And with this, we are also providing the question bank in CBT format, the computer based testing format, mock test, 23 rounds of mock test, and you have to ask doubts on the forum. So all the doubts will be handled on the forum for the essentials package. And this will also cover some intro videos and other relevant content like the calculator course and a lot of other things. So this is going to be very helpful in case you are planning to go with this self-study package. So now we will move to our main discussion, the discussion relating to the registration process on the GARP's website. So first of all, we will open the Google and let's enter the GARP. GARP, as like once you enter the GARP, you will see garp.org, or you can also go with the garp.org. Just enter this and you will see this particular website. Just open it. And this is how the website looks. So this is the front end of the website. You have to click here, sign in, and it will open the window. And now you have to click. So I will use our institute's login ID or the mail ID. So you have to enter your mail ID and then you have to click on this. No, I am new to GARP. Okay, so click here and now you have to fill your information like the first name. So here I will say Shashank Vande, and your region India, It's not Indonesia, India. Okay, and company is Falcon Edufin. And next is the industry. Industry is the education. Where is the education services? And select the job, executive manager. Just writing it everything in the random format. So now we will click on the create account. So it will take some time to create account. Okay. Now, so from where you heard about us, so say, let's say FRM certified candidate. Okay. And how many years have you worked on the in the industry? So this is new for me. Okay. So this is like new environment for the registration. So are you currently employed? No, I'm not currently employed. I'm assuming you are a student. Okay. You're registering as a student. And no, I'm not student currently. And risk community updates. Okay, so and we will complete this. So this is kind of a survey form where GARP is collecting information relating to the students who are enrolling for the FRM, and based on this particular information they take their business decisions like how to recommend or how to improvise their courses. Now we will click on complete. No, I'm currently student. Okay, let's say no, I'm currently student. University RTMNU. I'm already FRM, so graduation year, let's take anything. Okay, let's say BCA, graduation year 2011-12. Okay, so let's complete this, and confirmation mail has been sent to you. Contact membership service. Okay, so I will check my login. Okay, I will just pause the video and then I will see what is in the confirmation mail. Okay, now I got this particular link. Now I have to click here, and then now you have to create your password. So again, I will pause the video, I will create the password, then we will see or we will move further. Okay, so again, you have to simply create the password, and password requires 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 numeric, and 1 special character. Now, after I entered the password, I got this particular type of dashboard. So this is the dashboard which I have right now. So registration is now open. This is for the August and the November. And here we have to go into the My Programs. Let me check. I guess we are right. Like we have to go into the My Programs. And so website is okay. So this is C, financial risk manager. So you have to ensure you are clicking the right particular course. So because we have FRF or FFR and also FRR. So FRR is the foundations of risk, financial risk. So again, these are like kind of an introductory courses which GARP launched recently. Not useful for us. You have to ensure you are clicking on financial risk manager, FRM. So click on the register now. Okay, and now the window opens like this. So welcome back, Shashank Pandey. And here we have exam. So first you have to select which part you want to go for, like FRM part 1 or FRM part 1 and part 2 both. Remember, you cannot appear for FRM part 2 directly. So either it is FRM part 1 or FRM part 1 and part 2 both. Previously, when I appeared for FRM in 2016, so at the time exam was on the same day. So in the morning, FRM part 1 used to be there, and then in the afternoon, part 1 in the morning, part 2 in the afternoon. So on the single day exam. Now you have very great facility, like you can appear for FRM part 1 in first 15 days slot, and FRM part 2 slot starts after FRM part 1 slot ends. So meaning say 5th of November to 20th of November, you have FRM part 1's window. So you can select any date for the FRM part 1. And for FRM part 2, you have to select from say 21st of November to 30th of November. So you will have like at least 10 days of, you can make sure you have 10 days gap between the FRM part 1 and FRM part 1. You can appear for FRM part 1, part 2 both easily. It is manageable. The condition is you have enough time to prepare for FRM part 1 and part 2. Okay. But appearing for exam is not a big deal now. Previously, it was really big deal because exam used to happen on single day, and you're supposed to revise like 9 subjects just before the exam. 9 subjects or 10 subjects, right? So here we will select say just FRM part 1, and we are appearing for November. Okay, so November 5th to November 18th. So this is the exam window, and you have to select then your location. So what is the location for us? So we'll go for the India. So this is the India, and study material which is included with your package. So GARP's 2022 books provided with the registration. Okay, so you will get 4 books, and then there is a separate like access process for the books. Okay, so GARP will send you one mail, and then everything works in a slightly different manner. You have to download or install an application. So I have that application, Vivid Book or something like that. So need help in studying. So I agree with the so in case you are looking for the classes like the information I gave you, so you have to just take like this. So do you agree, or do you need any help, or don't need any help? So simply don't click it. Okay, then we have company information and address. So company information, Falcon, Edufin, address 101 Tower. Just enter some information here, and like this. Okay, then India, city Nagpur for me. You can enter Delhi, Pune, whatever city you have, and the pin code is 440034, and phone number is, my number is 909-6131-868. Don't worry, everyone knows my number, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, now this is a very important section. So here you see like credit card, wire transfer, or check. So we are not going to use these information. So here you have only credit card option and not the debit card option. So this is according, like in US, they refer every type of payment card as a credit card only. So in India, we use debit card or credit card. So if you have debit card, you can use it here. Make sure it is Amex, MasterCard, or Visa card. You can't use RuPay card. Okay. So Master, Visa, Amex. So these 3 cards are allowed with the international payments enabled. That you have to ensure. So in case you don't have like international payments enabled, if you apply or if you try to pay, you won't be able to process it, and then your bank might call you and they will ask you like, are you interested in international payments enabled, and like that. So you can go with that particular process, but make sure you have international payments enabled. If you have credit card, in that case as well, you have to make sure your international payments are enabled, and the limit is according to the payment is whatever the payment is required. Now here we have to pay in total. I don't know like the total payment. Yeah, here's the total payment. So first is the enrollment fee. This is a one-time fee, $400. Then individual membership complimentary. So like we are not going for the individual membership, so it is 0. FRM Part 1 early registration, $600, and again ebook is already included, and this individual membership is also complimentary. Okay, in your registration. For me, I have to separately pay for the individual membership, so it is not included for me. Okay, so if you see my dashboard, you will see my membership is lapsed, so I haven't paid for the membership. Okay, and this is again, remember, this membership fees or this membership will lapse after 1 year, but it is not necessary to pay again. This is only one-time fees. So a lot of students get this particular query, like, do they need to pay again or not? So no, you don't need to pay again. So you have to pay it only once. But if you click auto payment, or if you enable auto payment while paying this or in your dashboard, then automatically GARP might deduct your $400 fees. So right now I'm not able to see this particular option, but in my time the option was like, so I want to renew it every year or not. So we were supposed to separately untick that particular item. Okay, so here candidate's responsibility statement. So you can read the responsibility statement, very important. A lot of students make this particular mistake, but fortunately GARP is not very strict about all these candidates' responsibilities apart from the exam conduct. Okay, so like in CFA, if you share your questions, then you might land in trouble. But in FRM, so GARP is slightly liberal. Okay, not that harsh. And now here you can select on pay and register. So if you click on pay and register, then there will be like, you will see a dashboard, and then there will be scheduling window. So once this registration process is over, you will get to schedule your exam, and then you have to schedule your exam. So if you schedule it early, as soon as the window opens, then you will be able to pick your favorite date. If you delay in registration or scheduling your exam, then you will get unfavorable dates might be. Okay, so that care you need to take. Once you register for this, then you have to submit. Then you have to do two important things. First is you have to submit your ID. In ID, you can use permanent driving license from any country. Permanent driving license from any country. It can be two-wheeler without gear, with gear, because a lot of students ask me this particular question. So can I submit a driving license which is for the without gear driving? Okay, so no, without gear, with gear, or four-wheeler, truck, anything. So, but it should be valid, active, currently working driving license. One, this is the first type of ID. Second is again currently active, not expired passport. So you can also submit passport or driving license, but both should be active and not expired. So that's the condition. And then obviously I told you like the registration process and everything. So this is about your registration process on the GARP, which is very easy now. Okay, so straight, simple, like straightforward. There is nothing to discuss or nothing much to discuss. So that's it. That's all about the registration process on the GARP's website. If you have any query, you can reach out to me on 90961318868. My contact number is already available on my website. So search for the Falcon Edufin. So this is my contact number, my personal contact number, which I already have, like always have. Okay. So if you have any query, feel free to WhatsApp me. Right. So that's all. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching video.